welcome to Raul Art Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how to lower down the speed for the video, because I've seen a lot of people looking to lower the speed. I will show you. It's very good trick in settings. You go here in settings, yeah, and you have autoplay and playback speed, yeah. Just click on the normal, and the best speed for you to learn 0.25, okay? And I will show you what's happened. If I start the video, it's going very slow, so you can catch every steps and you can learn very easy. This is good trick. And if you want to learn by videos, I will show you one more time how to do it. Okay, just with checking for settings, I click on the normal and go to 0.25, and you will see very nice slow moving, and you can catch every steps. You can see when I changing the color of the pencil, you can see when I changing the grade also. So thank you very much guys, you follow me, so now you know how to lower the speed from the videos. Bye bye.